front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to click on security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock and hit fingerprint and face unlock section over here. Now it's time to select face under ways to unlock. Enter your screen lock and hit add now. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now select done. Manage all of those options however you want to and make sure that this switcher next to screen lock is blue. So when I go back, turn off my screen and switch it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!